So welcome to the next episode of Nate's Forge. Today we're going to be making an anvil stand. Should be awesome. Thanks for coming along. So I've been bad again and I bought myself a new anvil and it is awesome. It's got great potential and I needed a new anvil just for different projects and stuff like that, and I've been looking for one because my other one is wavy, to say the least. And I need an anvil stand to go with the new anvil. I'm going to be making it out of these thick beams of wood. It's going to be good. So now I need to make the bands to hold them all together. I was watching the footage and I was like, whoa, that's close to the camera. So I started out and I was making the corners of the bands really crisp, but then I realised it was taking me way too long. It's taken me almost 4 heats for this, and to be honest, I wanted it done now. So then I just decided to forge it in one and then put a drift through and then square it up, because I could do that in 1 heat. So I have some blacksmith chalk and I marked the bar exactly where I wanted, and even when you heat it up you can still see the mark of the chalk, which is really quite useful, and that's how I know exactly where to bend it. So I got to this point and I was like, oh, I forgot the pins.
Also, I figured if I'm going to all this effort of making this anvil stand, I might as well make the nails for it. So this is me making the nails. And who is the idiot that gave me a chainsaw? Oh wait, that's right, I nicked it. Classic.
So now the anvil stand is finished and it looks great. So all we need to do is lift this big boy onto here. Why are you laughing? It's really distracting, honestly. No, I'm just enjoying seeing you struggle. How about you quit your laughing and come and help me? You can do it. Maximum effort. You grab a net. Oh no, this is like cleanish, you know, I don't really want to get dirty. So you just do that. This is heavy. Two people make it so much easier. Oh no, you're doing a fine job. Look at you go. Majority of the time you can't even get the camera in focus, but you're laughing at me. Huh? Right, quit your whinging, back to lifting. We're doing a job here. Back to lifting. How about you lift this? Now that's inappropriate. Well, he's not going to give us any help, so I'm going to show you how I lifted anvils when I had no one around to help me lift them. So this one's 250 kilos, which is quite large. And I know most of you are thinking, of course you can lift that just off the ground, but I can't. I can. Watch this. First, you tilt your anvil up, if you can, and you want to tilt it back. Tilt it back again, shove another block under here. Whoa. And then you keep doing it until you get to this big boy all the way up here and it's going whoa. And then you can put it on your stand. You know what's much easier than lifting your anvil is getting a genie. Hey, Simon, how are you? Good to see you. You having a lift an anvil? No worries. Three, two, one. So smooth. Thanks so much for watching, hope you really enjoyed that. If you'd like to win this anvil, all you have to do is write down you guys are like, no way, he's gonna give it. No, I'm not that generous. But I do hope you enjoyed the film and you'll be seeing me use this anvil a lot more in the future. See you later guys, have a good one, bye. back to lifting.